I have no intention to speak about your ruling, Mr. Speaker. I want to speak on the matter that is before the House now. Mr. Speaker, under instructions from our parliamentary group, Mr. Speaker, before you put the question, I have been asked to convey to you on the floor of the House that we have withdrawn our members from the House Business Committee, Mr. Speaker. Yes. So it will be a nullity for the House to pass the membership from our side, Mr. Speaker. Now you can consider me as majority or minority, whichever way you can take. Yeah.
Honorable Junet, a question has already been proposed. Yes. Honorable Ichungwa, Honorable Ichungwa, I call upon you to reply.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, in reply, let me say the House Business Committee is properly and duly constituted. And with or without the participation of the 4 members of the Azimio Coalition, the House Business Committee would sit. And Honorable Speaker, being the chair of the House Business Committee, you will be advising the House Business Committee on when to have our first sitting, hopefully after the adjournment of this House this afternoon, so that we may be able to schedule business that concerns Kenyans. Because, Honorable Speaker, what we have engaged in from yesterday does not concern the people of Kenya who have sent us to represent us in this House. What we have been engaged in, Honorable Speaker, from yesterday up to the drama that you witness now is a drama touching on leadership positions by leaders and leadership positions in the House. But what is more important to all of us, Honorable Speaker, is the leadership positions that have been given to us by the people of our constituencies as their representatives in the House. And that is what we should put ahead of every other consideration. Honorable Speaker, I said it yesterday. The perks of the leader of majority are similar to the perks of the leader of minority. These seats are nothing personal to anybody. Honorable Speaker, even the chairs of committees, Honorable Speaker, the small sitting allowance they get as chairs of committees do not even commensurate with the amount of work that chairs and vice chairs of committees have to put in and the amount of sacrifice that they make, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, I really want to implore on all our members, including my brothers and sisters from the Azimio Coalition, to put the people that they represent ahead of their own interests as leaders and conduct the business of the House in addressing the pertinent issues that are concerning the people of Kenya today, Honorable Speaker. As you indicated, Honorable Speaker, we have business to have all the 18 committees whose term have come to an end reconstituted, Honorable Speaker, some of which have a huge implication on the lives of our people. You have seen students in both our primary and secondary schools are waiting for school capitation. The cabinet yesterday did approve the supplementary appropriations bill, and this is the money that Kenyans are waiting for. Money to go to our children, not just for bursaries, but even for school capitation, to enable government to also hire the additional 20,000 teachers that are going to help in our schools, Honorable Speaker. And those are the things, Honorable Speaker, that I say should be concerning us now. And I really want to urge that you do convene the House Business Committee, hopefully immediately after this vote, Honorable Speaker, for us to be able to schedule business and reconstitute those committees that will help us to pass the budget policy statement for this year and the supplementary appropriations bill that will be coming to this House in the next few days. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I beg to reply.
Honorable members, before I put the question,